Jordan from Parabol here, introducing Parabol Pages, Knowledge Management for Regulated Industry. In the 21st century, it is absolutely necessary that people be able to edit and collaborate on documents, share information with ease. But all too often, teams that work in highly secure or regulated environments have to fit strict compliance rules and don't have modern tools. We're here to change that. Here is a Parabol page. A Parabol page is a document that you and your team can edit. I'm going to come in as a single user and I'm going to add some new text. Easy peasy. If I want to add an image, I say slash, I type image, and up comes the command. We can make that image GIF, and we can say good morning and make it a little bigger. Parabol pages are also multiplayer. If I bring up a window that's off screen here, I simulate another user. I can come in and I can highlight a section, and that shows up in real time. If I wanted to add some new information, that also happens in real time. It's very easy to create subdocuments in Parabol. Here's a subdocument right here. I can click on it. It'll bring up all that information. It shows up in the hierarchy. If I wanted to add a new one, I could just click the plus button here. What's very powerful about Parabol's Pages feature is that we also support Parabol's powerful insight engine. So if you're using Parabol in order to orchestrate your activities or meetings, you can analyze that information at scale by using our insights command. That allows you to bring up reports about what's going on. If I wanted to, for example, I could analyze every single stand-up that's happened in the last several months. And I can type a prompt like, an assistant to the CEO, summarize 3 accomplishments that would be safe to share publicly. And I can click the generate button. And in a few seconds, the insights start to appear. If you'd like to run Parabol pages inside your environment, contact us. Let us know, and we'd be happy to get you going with an evaluation instance. Take care.